The most common question asked to me when I started my own manufacturing of raw supplies was, why don't you come up with pre-cut elements rather than element sheets? It may lead you to the more sales and more profit. Hi, I am Angit this side to solve all your questions, all your queries related to element sheets and pre-cut elements. And by the way, if you guys still don't know about our manufacturing of craft supplies, then do check the description box. I have added the link for you to shop. So before I process the video, let me show you what exactly element sheets are and what is pre-cut elements. So these are the element sheets, or you can say motif sheets or fussy cutting sheets. All the brands call it with different names, but the things are same. So you have to cut out this designs and use in your project. So this is one from our brand. These are the element sheet from my own brand, and this is the element sheet from another brand. I have just removed the brand name so that you know. This video is all about fussy cutting and how to select your elements or element sheets, right? So these are the element sheets and these are the pre-cut elements. So this is how it comes in a packaging, and you can see they are already cut, and you just have to use this in your projects directly. You just have to glue them up in your projects, right? You can just place it over here and you can make some tags easily, right? These are two similar projects done using elements. This is done using pre-cut elements, and this is done with fussy cutting element sheet. If you check project with pre-cut elements, you can see a lot of whiteness or say extra white paper in it, where else here that thing is very less, and this enriches look of your project. You can see a less amount of whiteness in your project compared to this one. So because of this reason, I personally prefer to go with element sheets. Yes, it does take time to cut all these elements and to use, but it's worth waiting, it's worth cutting. It really enriches your project, and you can just compare it. You can see a lot of whiteness, and you can just see how all the flowers are visible properly, even the dancing girls. You can compare. Yeah, this does make your work very easy, but the outsource and enrichment that you see in your project, I really prefer to go with the element sheets. I know it's going to take me a lot of time to cut all these beautiful things, all these small flowers and all, but it's worth waiting and worth using elements. So let me show you how to do a little fussy cutting over here. So just go a little slow and make sure to go in detail, okay? You need to be very patient and really very little, not very slow, but a little slow, so that you don't cut out any of the element that have been printed. You can see how beautifully it looks when you do a fussy cutting. Yeah, it does take time, but trust me guys, it's really worth waiting for the results. And also I want to tell you one thing, that whenever you do fussy cutting, please use something like this, scissors which are long enough and which are also slim, and the tips which are little pointed, so that you can go and do the intricate cutting here. So here I am done with the fussy cutting of this beautiful baby. You can see how adorable it is. There is some left here, but that's okay. A little bit it's okay, but too much is not okay. So now you can compare this element with this, or else let me show you some of that. Okay, yeah, now you can compare the pre-cut and the fussy cutting element, right? Now you have to select wisely which one you want to go. I really prefer, and I will really suggest you to go with the element sheet, though it's going to take some time, but the results are really amazing, trust me. Okay, so now you guys know that which is best for your projects, whether to go with the element sheets, how to select your element sheets, whether to go with pre-cut elements or to stick to the element sheets and do fussy cutting. Also, If you have any doubt related to any product, any crafted product, and you want me to review it, if you want me to solve your problems about how to use it, what are the result, do let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help you out. Okay, so till then, happy crafting.
시간 속